Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create, how to host, how to start a meet, I don't know how it's called, in a Google Meet. So here is how. Let's move on point. So first, when you're on your Gmail account, just click here on this nine dots next to your profile picture and click on Meet. And from here you can choose to enter someone meeting by entering the code of the meeting, or to create your own meeting. So I said we want to create own meeting, right? So just click here, new meeting, and from here you can choose to schedule it or to create this meeting for later, or to create it instantly. So we want to start an instant meeting, right? So just click on it from here, and from here you can prepare your camera, your microphone, you can change your background. Is it working? Yeah. So when you're ready, just click here on join now, and now you're in meeting. But if you want to add some friends, you can actually click here or copy join info, and now you can send it to your friends by sending it on Instagram or in Facebook or in as an email, I don't know where. But if you want to make it easier, the sending, just click here on add people, and from here you can enter the name, I mean their emails, and to send them invitation. So that was how to create a meeting in Google Meet. And if you want to close the meeting, just click here, and yeah, that was it, you left the meeting. That was how to, oh wait, actually rejoin. Yeah, now the meeting is gone. So yeah, that was how to create a meeting in Google Meets. If I have helped, just make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. So see you next video. Bye.